Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to improve quality of Instagram photos. To start, open your settings application in your mobile device. Once you are now in settings, this time, use the search bar and then search for camera. Once you find camera, select camera. In here, you will now be redirected to camera settings. In here, select formats. Then, make sure you select high efficiency. Close settings this time, then open your Instagram application. On Instagram, go to your profile on the bottom right, then select the three horizontal lines on the upper right, then in the pop-up select settings. On settings, select account, and then on account, select data usage. In here, you will need to turn off use less cellular data and turn on upload at highest quality. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.